We realized early that if we wanted to operate the way aerospace and automotive uses, we need to use the same tools that aerospace and automotive uses, which was CATIA. SHoP Architects is an architectural design firm with a thesis. The DNA is really around leveraging technology to design and execute great built environments. We're in downtown Manhattan, in the Woolworth Building right next to City Hall. Our work was really rooted in New York, so some New York icons, Barclays Center, Brooklyn Tower, the Domino Sugar Master Plan, the re-image of Nassau Coliseum. Projects are becoming increasingly complex. A good timeline for a design project to be built is 5 years, 5 to 10 years. We say that the projects are in the future. Design and building is in the future. The cost of buildings is going up, and the timelines to execute these buildings is shrinking. So it's a sort of perfect storm or a conflation of a lot of constraints where we feel there's an opportunity to leverage technology to advance the way that we design and execute buildings. When you walk into our office, you'll notice a bunch of model planes, cars all over the office. The firm was founded in the image of other industry, that we can leverage advanced technology to organize complexity that we can use to design, simulate, coordinate, manufacture the built environment. Designing a building is a huge amount of data. The primary data is three-dimensional in nature, but associated with that are the traditional deliverables in architecture, which are drawing sets. So we have 2D data, we have a lot of PDFs, we have a lot of emails, we have a lot of correspondence that goes around the decisions that we make that go into providing options, and then the result. Buildings are made of millions and millions of parts. The 3D Experience platform centralizes that information so that we can query the information we're looking for and then understand that parent-children relationship of that data. You can load a whole building in CATIA. And the way that the 3D Experience platform is structured allows for a more intimate understanding of the parts of our buildings to the whole. The use of CATIA lends itself very well to expand our access and reach and our expertise to other types of projects. So infrastructure projects, we're talking bridges, tunnels, roads, piers, data centers, mass timber. So larger parts of our buildings are going to be manufactured off-site and brought onto its context and assembled. Our experience in leveraging CATIA and the 3D Experience platform positions us really well to deliver on that new way of working.